Okay, so I just popped by the P.O. box. I got my first package from Aaron. Thank you, Aaron. All right, I'm opening it. What's in it? What's in it? I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Wow. Woo. Open card. There is a gift inside. Thank you for everything you do. Love your YouTube videos, Aaron. Ooh, Godiva chocolates. What? All right, there's a card. It says, thank you. What? Thanks for all you do. Happy Easter, Aaron, Lucas, and Frank and John. So sweet. Oh my gosh. It is a $25 Visa gift card. What? You guys, that is so nice. Oh my gosh. Wow. I feel very, ooh. I feel very lucky. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You don't know how much this means to me. Thank you.
I took some extra days off and went to Indianapolis to visit family. Of course, I had to pack some sourdough because I don't have any good sourdough there, and I was able to perform my niece's baptism and also attend my other niece's second birthday. Also wanted to share with you this little handy dandy air clip where you can clip your tablet onto the seat in front of you, which is really handy on Southwest, especially because they don't have screens. And I got to go to my favorite coffee place. I only had one day off before I had to go back to work, but I actually did some meal prep. I made this really lovely little salad with some apple cider vinegar and oil dressing. I like it very simple. I packed these candy pecans, which I love, and also some Lara bars, which I haven't had in a long time. And also bought these already made hard-boiled eggs, which I usually don't buy, but thought I'd give them a try. And then this chicken to add to my salad, and turned out really good. It was great to have on the trip. I thought I'd give you a little peek of the Provo guy loading up. He gave me permission to video him, and they usually pull the truck right up as soon as we get the engine turned off, and then they just go back and forth and bring in their ice and the sodas and all the supplies that we will need in order to take care of the passengers during the flight. So, and then they just usually ask us if there's anything else that we need and clean up the bathrooms and mop the floor, and then they're on their way.
Hi guys. It's like a little after 6. No, it's a little after 7. We are in San Jose. I have 3 legs today. One to San Jose, to Dallas, and then to Charlotte, which I have not been to Charlotte in years. Can't even remember the last time. I am not promising anything super interesting on this trip because I can't think of anything what I'm going to do. It is Cinco de Mayo, so maybe we'll do something fun. Who knows? I have a new record time to the airport. 1 hour, 1 minute. I wasn't even going that fast, too. I don't know how I did it, but I'm pretty impressed with myself. And then I'm actually leaving later, so I only had had 20 minutes to walk from the parking lot, and it was funny. I got there, the security was like 4:38, and I had check-in at 4:45, so acting like I have all the time in the world. Alright, so we're gonna board soon. We have 166 people going to Dallas. We only have 27 coming here, which is nice. It's so chill. Anyway, so that's it. Check in. Talk more later. What is this nonsense? Hey friends, what's up? I'm in Charlotte, and I've been here a little while already. I had food and I'm just relaxing. I'm wearing one shoe because my left foot hurts. So I don't want to walk barefoot. I don't want to go have shots again in my foot because I don't know why actually. I think it's because I don't want him to try to talk me into anything else. The shots worked well, but obviously they didn't last. So, and I try to be diligent about stretching. Anyone else deal with plantar fasciitis and have some magical way they've gotten over it? I mean, I've bought all the squishy shoes. I'm stretching. I got steroid shots. I have custom insoles. I did buy the custom insoles at the running store. I did not get the ones at the podiatrist because they're like $400. My insurance does not pay for them at all. So, yeah, I just don't know how a $400 insole could be that much better. But help me out. If you have ever had plantar fasciitis, tell me your stories because I'm here for it. Anyway, we had a very long day. I started at 4:45. Okay, guys, my phone died last night when I was trying to record. So, and then I guess I went to bed and I forgot to record anything else. I haven't really had a lot to talk about on this particular trip. Today I'm in Austin and I'm downtown, which I've never been downtown before. I always have had Austin PM trips and we stay somewhere else. I couldn't tell you where. I don't know where I am half the time. So it is about 1 o'clock in Texas and we're gonna go have some tacos. It is Cinco de Mayo. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So we're gonna go have some food and hopefully find a delicious margarita because that is my favorite. And let's see what else. It's very cloudy and it's supposed to have a thunderstorm later. So I don't know if we'll get out and about, but maybe sort of out. I think I'm starving though because literally every restaurant we passed I was like, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. So anyway, easy day today. We had one leg that we worked in the morning from from Charlotte to Baltimore. And then we deadheaded from Baltimore to Austin, which I haven't had a long deadhead like that in ages. So it was kind of nice. Got a little nap, watched some shows. I watched a show that actually was making me cry. It was Call the Midwife. I don't know. It's probably not a super like popular show with guys. It's a lot of like baby birthing and stuff like that. So. Anyway, I watched a few episodes and of course I got all emotional, which I don't do. I'm not an emotional person. Ask anyone that knows me well. Like it takes a lot to make me cry. And then, yeah, so now here we are. I don't know. I'm really hungry, so I'll probably have a snack. I really need to go run. Don't know if that's gonna happen. Other than that, I'm just gonna change and probably chill. Because, you know, that's what I do best. I like to focus on my strengths. Okay, bye. Hey guys, I have to show you something I've never seen before. I'm very easily amused. There's this little thing by the bed that controls the lights, but look at this one. Temperature up and down. So in the middle of the night, if you get hot or cold, you just reach over and go, doot, doot. I want that in my house. Although I don't have central air conditioning. But I can do it on my phone. I can do the heater on my phone. So that's new. But anyway, I digress. Anyway, I thought that was cool. I mean, like I said, I'm easily impressed. All right, having a dried orange. If you have not tried these, they're like candy, but you feel like you're being healthy. So it's important. All right, I'm gonna go do this, and then I'm gonna go work out, and then we're gonna go eat. Okay, bye. Hey guys, got back from dinner. We went to the taco place. Did you guys hear that thunder? I don't know if you can hear it. I thought it was like cars at first, but it's thunder. So anyway, I wanted to share with you something funny, and maybe it won't be funny to you, but at the moment it was quite hilarious. Oh, lightning. Oh my gosh, I might get a lightning show tonight. So excited. No, get that out. Oh my gosh, I love that sound. Okay, so anyway, I went to pay for my bill at dinner, and she comes back and she goes, do you have a different card? And I'm like, well, that's weird. I know I have money in my account. I gave her my Target card. Oh gosh, Lord. Well, it's right next to the other card, so I'm using that as my excuse. But yeah, it was funny. She's like, well, I tried it, but it didn't work. Oh my God, that's so funny. So I'm gonna go listen to some thunder and see if I can see some cool lightning. Maybe I'll get some on camera. We shall see. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye. Last video from the room tonight, but I'm so bummed. I went down and got my green tea lemonade and I only drank half of it. But the ice is still like frozen. That's crazy. Hopefully all my food isn't like frozen solid tomorrow morning. But at least it's colder than it was yesterday. So I want to drink it, but I'm afraid that it'll keep me up all night if I do, because it's green tea. So anyway, I'm gonna wrap up tonight. I'm in my Jammy Jams, my Yes She Can t-shirt. And yeah, so I hope that you all had a great day, and I will talk to you more tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, it's very humid, so I'm going to attempt to go maskless. Can you see how shiny I am? I'm already like sweating. So I'm going to attempt to go maskless. I'm a little nervous. If I get sick, I'm going to be really, really mad. Update. We're in San Diego, and we had only one bathroom available. Thank you. And it was actually quite fine. Everybody was very good about it, so that was nice. I don't know if you can hear me. Sorry, I know it's kind of loud. I feel like I have to talk like this. But anyway, so we're going to Phoenix and then going to LA. So not much left of this trip, and it's been actually really good. Gone pretty well compared to the last one. I will link to that right up top about my medicals. It's crazy. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, it's a bit of a late wrap up for me, sorry. But I ended up having a pretty good trip, and we got back right on time, like around 11:30. And unfortunately, there was traffic on the way home. I decided to go the coast. I always pick the wrong way. And there's just road work and stuff, so it took me a couple hours to get home. But that's okay. And then I had 2 days off. I had the weekend off, and I head back tomorrow. So just wanted to wrap up and say thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That really helps the channel get put out for other people that might be interested in my content. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy Mother's Day.